what a week it has been. Very cold. Doesn't seem like winter just doesn't want to give up on us. And tonight's no different. Expecting a very hard freeze. It's going to be absolutely brutally cold. Temperatures into the low 20s. But the good news is we will begin to warm up for the weekend, and it's going to be a beautiful weekend at that until we get to Sunday afternoon, maybe after 6 o'clock or so. That's when we have our next chance of rain, and it could be a very heavy, long rain event at that. But right now, satellite and radar showing us just those clouds beginning to move a little bit further south as we had that rain-producing system from last night. It dropped almost a half inch of rain on us as it's continuing to move out of the area, still dropping rain into Florida. And everything's moving nicely right now on our sky cam here at the junction. And temperatures, it's still very chilly right now, coming in at 39 degrees, but it is sunny. But with those winds out of the northwest at 7, it's really not helping the temperatures out too much. Just been a very cold week. Winter, it's just really holding on to us very tightly. And that's what it's doing really all across the region. Even into New Orleans and Mobile, it's not really much warmer down there, only by about 6 degrees or so in Mobile. So it's still very cold really everywhere you go. We can't really escape it. And as we look through our predictor, looking ahead, we have Thursday, much nicer. Still, it's going to be sunny. And this cold front that's approaching us doesn't quite make it here. It phases out, and then we're left with another beautiful weekend. But then we have this next low-pressure system coming in, bringing in that warm air from the Gulf and from the south. And we could see a few high clouds, but overall it's going to be a really nice weekend. And again, those clouds just kind of in and out. We're not expecting anything in terms of precip until we get to Sunday. And by Saturday still, that cold front doesn't quite make it through, but it's going to start setting us up for an influx of moisture for Sunday and Monday, And this is what we're expecting right now for our heavy rain threat, as we have this front that could stall out and just have that surge of moisture coming in from the Gulf. And we could see up to maybe 2 to 4 inches of rain Sunday and Monday as well, all the way into Monday morning. Could be a very, very heavy rain event, and maybe flash flooding is something we could be looking at as we get closer to this event. So make sure just keep that in the back of your mind as we get closer to the weekend. And tonight, I told you it was going to be a very hard freeze, and we're expecting a low of 22. That is just ridiculously cold, knowing that by Saturday, it's going to be March 1st, and it's not going to feel like spring at all. And tomorrow, a little bit warmer than we were today, expecting high around 51. That sun will be out, and at least it will be helping it feel a little bit warmer than it really is, but it's still going to be a little bit chilly. You're going to want to grab that jacket for sure. And our 7-day forecast, again, beautiful weekend setting up for us Saturday into the 60s. Even by Sunday, before that rain arrives, we could see a high temperature of 70 degrees, just absolutely beautiful. The weekend's going to feel like it's spring and March is here, but we quickly dive back into the cooler temperatures Monday as we have that rain setting up Sunday night into Monday. Cold front comes through. Temperatures are knocked back down once again, well below average. Only expecting a high of 46 on Tuesday, but temperature tries to moderate by the middle of the week.